Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi. These are names the soccer world associates with greatness. They both score goals and make assists. But what other quantitative ways can we use to describe their ability? What about their passes that aren't immediately followed by a goal or a shot? In this work, we demonstrate a data-driven method for calculating the value of an individual pass for generating a shot later in the possession, called the pass-shot value. To build pass-shot value, we utilize event data from the 2012 to 2013 season of La Liga, the premier Spanish professional soccer league. In order to build pass-shot value, we first extracted the locations of all pass origins and destinations, and then trained a supervised machine learning model to relate those locations to shots being generated later in the possession. We then utilized that model to build a quantitative metric for calculating the value of any single pass. In order to generalize between pass locations near each other, we first discretized the field into 18 equal-sized zones. Thus, each pass origin and destination belongs to one of these 18 zones. However, instead of having pass locations belong entirely to one zone, we distribute zone membership across the two closest zones. This accounts for passes that are near the borders of zones. We then trained an L2 regularized logistic regression model using the average pass location vector over the course of a possession as features. This model is quite accurate and identifies possessions that end in shots with an AUROC of 0.79. The resulting model provides us with a conceptual map to understanding which pass locations are most positively and negatively associated with shots. Let's highlight two of these associations from the model on the field. For example, shots involving Zone 14 in front of the defensive area's penalty box very often lead to shots, but long passes to Zone 14 are actually negatively associated with shots by our model. We use this weighting of pass locations to construct our pass shot value formula, which is the sum of the model weight for the corresponding origin, destination, and origin-destination pairs zones for a given pass. We calculated the average pass shot value for all players with greater than 200 passes over the course of the 2012 to 2013 La Liga season. Unsurprisingly, given the average pass shot value's offensive nature, players are naturally separated by position. However, within each position, we see well-known offensive players, such as Ronaldo and Messi, rise to the top by average pass shot value. Additionally, average pass shot value identifies midfielders and other non-forwards that are key offensive players, such as Mesut Ozil. In conclusion, average pass shot value seems to be a valuable tool for measuring offensive passing ability in soccer, and it lays the framework for development of other data-driven player metrics using event location data.